Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you Russian chain stitch. This stitch is found in Russian embroideries and so named after the country. We will work on a vertical border over 3 parallel lines. In the center line, mark dots at half centimeters gap. And now let us start. At first start in the center line in the first dot and make one detached chain, that is lazy daisy stitch. First make one chain in the center line with half centimeters length. Now insert the needle at the center and take it out just parallel to the next dot on your left hand side. Insert the needle in the center of the chain and take it out on your left hand side line and make one chain stitch like this. Now insert the needle outside the chain and take it back in the center chain. And now on your right side, take the needle out, thread below the needle and make another chain on the other side. It is made by grouping together 3 lazy daisy stitches in a clover shape. Now we are putting the second stitch, one chain in the center line and the next chain on your left. Insert the needle outside the chain and bring it out in the center chain. Once again make another chain on your right side so that you will be getting 3 lazy daisy stitches together, and the first loop will be pointing upward while the other 2 loops will point on your sides. See, once again make one chain in the center, one chain on your left, insert the needle outside the chain and bring it in the center chain, another loop on your right side, thread below the needle, pull over and finish the next stitch. Come to the center for your next stitch. I hope this video and the stitch will be clear for you. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links which I have shared in the description. If you have not subscribed for my channel, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notifications for my future videos. If you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends. I hope you are clear about this Russian chain stitch, which is the cluster of 3 lazy daisy stitches together, and the first loop will be pointing upward. You can fill your patterns with this cute little stitch, and you can also use this stitch for borders. And I hope the stitch is now clear for you. And now we shall finish the stitch. And I used to show you the back view of every stitch, and this is the back view of the stitch. Thank you for watching.